Nokia has been considered one of the trusted companies among the people for many years. Nokia smartphones were the kings of the time, when there were keypad phones. But after missing for a few years, now Nokia is going to launch its new 5G smartphone. If you too have been waiting for a great smartphone from Nokia for a long time, which is very cheap in price, but has excellent features, then today we have brought one such great smartphone for you, in which you will get amazing features. Yes, we talking about Nokia Magic Max 5G smartphone. Even before its launch, the features and price of this amazing smartphone have been leaked. In this great smartphone, you will get a big 6500 mAh battery, with a 200 megapixel camera. So if you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Magic Max 5G. You are going to get a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display in Nokia Magic Max 5G smartphone. It will also have a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Apart from this, you will get features like touch sampling rate of 390 Hz and peak brightness of 2400 nits. And in this you will also get in-display fingerprint sensor, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and IP68 rating. Camera setup. The camera quality of this phone is going to be so great that you will forget the iPhone. Talking about the camera setup of the phone, it is going to have triple rear camera setup, in which you are going to get 200 megapixel DSLR primary camera. Apart from this, it will have 32 megapixel ultra wide lens and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And if we talk about selfie camera, then for that you will get to see a 64 megapixel front camera in it. Operating system. Talking about the operating system and CPU of the mobile, you are going to get the latest Android 15 operating system in it. Well, if we talk about the processor, you will get to see the great processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in it, so that you will be able to do excellent professional gaming and multitasking in it. Battery setup. Talking about battery backup, the battery of this smartphone is going to be quite powerful. In this phone you are going to get 6500 mAh big battery, which will come with 120 watt fast charging support. Apart from this, you will also get to see Type-C charging socket in it. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price of this phone, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks its price could be around $550. And if we talk about the launch date, then it can be presented by the end of this year.